Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make assembly modeling. So I hope as usual you will enjoy. So let's start. So file new assembly, choose assembly. Okay, so go to insert component, browser component, choose long pin. Okay, this is long pin. Okay, so insert component again, browser, choose chain link. Okay, see, good. So go to insert again, browser component, choose short pin. Okay, so you can double. Okay, so choose this center hole mate with this one. Okay, choose this face mate with this one. Okay, so choose this face mate with this one. Okay, so choose this center mate with this one. Okay, so now you can rotate this one. Okay, so choose this side mate with an angle, choose angle. With this one, so choose 150 degrees. Okay, so choose this pin mate with this one. Okay, so choose this face mate with this one. Okay, so now I can choose this face, then choose mate with this one. Okay, so you see how it is like. So select the center hole, choose mate with this one. Okay, so you see this is a good. So you can now choose this mate is center hole. Okay, so choose this face, mate with this one. Okay, good. You see this is good. So choose this side, mate with an angle of this one. Choose 100, choose 160, no, choose 150. Okay, good. Okay, so now you can choose this face. No, so you can choose this face. You can choose this face, then mate, choose mate with this one. Okay, so choose this center hole, mate with this one. Okay, good. So now you see this is good. Choose this side, mate with an angle of this side. Okay, so you can increase or decrease. $100. Okay, you can choose to 300. Okay, okay, so now choose this pin, mate with this one. Okay, so now you can select this face, comet with this one. Okay, good. So now you can choose this long pin, then mate with this one. Okay, okay, so choose this face, mate with this one. Okay, so friends, you see this is how you can make your assembly modeling. So don't forget to subscribe to your channel to get more videos and to learn more about SOLIDWORKS software. So share, comment, is allowed to get more videos and advice from your experience. So thank you for today. See you on other videos. Thank you.